So here go the new belts. I mean, it's crazy because look, here go the old ones. These didn't look bad. I mean, I just changed them. You know, I don't know if it's the belt. Maybe it was just that pulley, you know? Yo, what's up, everybody? I recently got this G35. I'm gonna keep it and like make it look really nice. Put some rims on it, make it stand out a little bit. Right now, we're gonna be changing the belts on it. It's making like a crazy sound. Let me show you guys. Okay, you guys see it, you know, not too bad. Interior's in decent shape. I'll show you guys another video, you know, just going over everything and everything I've done already. So you'll hear this crazy belt sound. Let's see if it does it. You guys hear it? And then it should go away in a second. Wow, finally. Okay, and then it goes away, right? Okay. I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know exactly what it is. People say it's the alternator, but I'm pretty sure it's the belts. I got new belts. I'm gonna take them off, and people say like clean it really good, so I'm gonna spray it down, and hopefully that noise goes away, man. It sounds ridiculous, super embarrassing. All right, cool. So you got the car, you know, jacked up or on some ramps like this, and I know for sure this is a 14 socket. So you're gonna want to loosen this up. Loosen that. Cool. Very simple. You're going to come down here. And you see that bolt right there? This one here. You're gonna loosen that up, and then the belt should loosen up on you, and you should be able to take it off. All right, same thing applies for this side here. Loosen this up. I believe it's a 14 as well. Yep, another 14. Okay, loosen that one. I'm gonna do that right now. Loosen it up, and then we're gonna hit the same. It's the same socket down here, I believe, for this one. It's this, yep, another 12. All right, so loosen this up, and then you can take both belts off. Okay, guys, one thing that's really good to do is just spin these pulleys before you put everything back. Like you see, like no, I don't hear anything. Do the AC pulley. Do this one. See, so no crazy. Could it be this one that's making the noise? It might not be straight, guys. I feel like just putting on the old one, because I have another one. I have another one of these adjustable, you know, these, well, I guess the tensioner, idle tension or something. Let me check the other one up top. Yeah, none of these have any noise. Now it does have a little bit of play, but I don't think that's the culprit. It might be this down here. You guys hear that little? I have it there, so I'm just gonna take it off. It's like 3 bolts. I'm about to do that. I think they're size 12s. Let me see. So it's 3 bolts. Yep, size 12. All right. So you'll see them. They're real obvious. Just take the 3 bolts off and then replace. I'm gonna take it off and see what it looks like. Okay, boom. So like I said, boom, ba boom, boom. See, it's only 3 bolts. One down here, one in there, one there. Really easy to get to. Maybe this one's a little bit tougher to get to, but you could do it. You could do it. Not that bad. Use this size worked for me, so you know, take it out. Let's see what the other one looks like. Well, let's look at this one first. A little bit rusty. Let's see. And it kind of had some play on there, guys, when I was moving it. But let's see. Let's put another one on it and see if it works better. Here's the pulley that's going in there. No sound. Make sure everything's sprayed a little bit. Everything's clean, no oil, nothing on it. Nice and dry. Don't want nothing on there, man. Dang, these mosquitoes is crushing me. Let's put this thing on there. 3 12mm bolts. So it might be better to put that one on the bottom in because you got to lift up a little bit. Yeah, let's put the one in on the bottom. And then I'll come back up here. So it's probably better. Okay, knock everything over. See this one here, guys? Get this one in first. And then you get that other one, all right? So let's place that here. That one in first. Makes it easier to get the third one, okay? That's right under that pulley. Yeah, so the last one, like I said, I probably can't get it on video, guys, but it's right under this pulley, and you can get to it. It's not impossible. A little swivel extension might help. Yeah, that's a little easier with the swivel type. There we go. Maybe just extend, you know, an extension, you don't need a swivel, but you guys got it. You can do it. Tighten this one. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see if that sound goes away. Let's see what happens. Hey, it sounds better to me, dog. I don't hear no crazy sounds. Over here sweating bullets. I'm gonna start it again. Make sure it wasn't a fluke. So here we go, second start. I shouldn't hear no sounds. No, again with the sounds. Maybe I gotta make it a little bit tighter. Make the belt a little bit tighter, let me see. Dang. Okay, so very important, right? So when you put enough tension on it, you won't be able to make it go 90 degrees vertical. Before, I was able to do 90 degrees. But you should really just check this on like a manual or something to see exactly how much tension to put on it. Here goes the startup after I tighten the belts up. That sounds better. I tighten the belts up a little bit more. Let me show you guys. Hold on, let me turn it off and turn it back on to make sure it keeps working. Oh, turn the lights off. All right, let's see. Didn't do it. Third time's a charm. Let's see if it does it this time. Okay, it works. Pops over there. My man. Okay, now this is me turning the car on and turning the AC on to see if it makes noise. Let's see if it makes noise. I'm waiting. Nope. I think we're good. Didn't make any noise. Our fans are spinning. And our compressor's turning, so I think we're good. Yeah. Again, I don't know if I had to replace this, guys. I just had one laying around and I replaced it. You can't really hear anything on it, so I'm gonna just save it. I think I just had the belt a little bit too loose. But that's how you would change the belt and that tensioner on a 2004 G35X all-wheel drive. These all have the same engine though, so it'll work if it looks similar to this. All right, till the next one, guys.